Manufacturing is actually a great success story. Over the last 10 years, the manufacturing industry in Western Australia has grown by 4.8%. Only 0.1% less than the mining industry has grown in the same period, and 12 times higher than the national average. So while we might be seeing a somewhat pessimistic story and closures coming out of the eastern states, in Western Australia what we have seen is very strong growth. The manufacturing industry now employs 91,000 people and accounts for 5% of our economy and 17% of our exports. But we can't afford to be complacent. We need to make sure that we are internationally competitive, and government settings and policies are incredibly important to the cost of doing business. So our report looks at some of the regulatory framework and the issues that are of concern to business.
We work in a competitive environment where we as a business just have to work harder and faster and more productive than our competitors on the eastern states. We have to be innovative, and we certainly at MAC we are.
Taxation is incredibly important because it goes right to the heart of our international competitiveness, but we also look at other issues such as planning and regulations that will apply to people setting up and growing businesses. We also look at industrial relations and the implications of the complexity of our current system and the lack of flexibility in our current system. So it's all about reducing costs of doing business.
Any manufacturer in Western Australia has to understand where its unique point of advantage is, what it can do cost effectively and what it can't do cost effectively, and therefore needs to find an alternative way of doing it.